Hi everyone, it's a beautiful summer day here in the Chicagoland area. So I am doing what I usually do on weekends, which is the farmer's market. If you saw my previous episode, I went to the farmer's market in the fall. Now it is June here, and I am excited to see what fresh fruits, particularly, they will have at the market now. So thank you for coming along with me. Here are some greens and some garlic. I have a special surprise for later. This is honey and honey products. Can you hear the train nearby? It also has beeswax products. Here I am approaching a vendor from an orchard in Michigan. This usually means fresh fruit and vegetables. Onions, potatoes, tomatoes, asparagus. Ooh, and now in the season is fresh strawberries. Yum! This vendor has more fresh greens. Anything from collard greens to microgreens to different types of lettuces. Pak choy. Pak choy is like a miniature bok choy, is that it? Okay. Gotcha. Overall, much livelier than it was 6 months ago. You can see that there's more vendors and more people. That's good to see in your community. Hi, so now I'm back at my house after the farmer's market. I ended up just getting some fresh eggs and some fresh meat from a local farm. Also, picked up this little treat. What is this? Can you tell based on what it looks like? It is garlic. However, this is called black garlic. Why? Well, if you crack it open and peel off the skin from each clove, you can see that the garlic is actually black inside, and it smells flavorful and a little bit sweet. That's because this garlic has been cooked in a special manner that I'm still not certain about, but it has been fermented and caramelized. Caramelized means that something is cooked so that the sugars of the natural food or fruit come out and make a sweet flavor to the food. So this again smells quite fruity and sweet. It also does have a very nice garlic flavor. Because of the fermenting and the slow cooking, these cloves are also very soft. They are lovely for using in a spread, on crackers or bread. They also can be smashed up and included in some of your favorite savory sauces. I personally just like to eat them plain. Would you try one plain? Comment below. Let me know what you think about black garlic. Have you heard of it before? If so, please tell me. This was my new fun find at the farmer's market today. Please stay tuned, and I will be making another recipe just for you very soon. If you have any questions about the English language, American culture, cooking in English, or about foods, I'm more than happy to help you. So please reach out. You can comment below or email me. Thank you so much. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye-bye.